Hey guys, check it out. We got another video here, Fix It Pros. We have an iPod that the customer brought in. The LCD was broken, as you can see right there. Just kind of showing you, like, sometimes these phones are hard, iPods are hard to get. So I had an old one that was 80 gig. I took out the display. You can kind of see this. This is the LCD that pops out. Just very easily pops out here once you take some of these screws out. Anyways, just to kind of show you that we can fix anything, even if they're really super old, as long as we can get the parts. Kind of show you this. LCD comes out right here, and we also took out the head jack, which was what the problem was, but now we've got it going. So pretty much, this was an old iPad. Now we got the new LCD, no spots, and we replaced the head jack, and everything's working pretty good. Alright guys, if you like our video, check it out, fixitpros.com. Please subscribe for new stuff. Have a great day.